Have you ever wondered what it really means to get monetized on YouTube? Like, not the people who have tons and tons of subscribers, but like a little tiny YouTuber like me with 1,700 subscribers. What am I actually making, and is it even worth it?
Hey, Lindsay Sewell here. Welcome back to the channel. I am monetized officially on YouTube, so I'm quitting my job. We're going to move to Tennessee and buy a farm. No, just kidding. Exactly 1 month ago, I finally got monetized on YouTube. And if you're anything like me, this has been a goal of mine since I started this channel. So I wanted to record this video for you today to give you the real life insights into what it means to be a monetized YouTube channel as a small, tiny YouTube channel with only 1,730 subscribers as of the time of recording this video. Now, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you actually have to meet a couple items of criteria. You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time in a single calendar year, which, if you really think about it, is quite hard if people are only watching videos that are a couple minutes long. So I started getting serious about this YouTube channel back on November 25th of 2019. And it only took me 3 years to get monetized. I was officially monetized on my channel in July of 2022. And on the first day, I made a grand total of, drumroll please, 93 cents. Yep, that's right. I'm not going to be quitting my work and moving to Tennessee to buy a farm anytime soon on 93 cents. But what I wanted to show you was I was so excited about making that first initial 93 cents, because what that meant was that after all these years of hard work, I was finally able to get monetized for the content that I was putting out, and I was going to be paid and rewarded for doing something that I love, which is making these videos to help you out. And I decided to make this video for you today because I was constantly trying to figure out, what can somebody make as a small YouTuber when they first get monetized? You know, before they get the 100,000 subscribers or the 1 million views per month, what are they actually making? So there are two very important metrics that you need to take a look at when you get monetized on YouTube. The first one is your CPM, and that's what advertisers are paying to place an ad in front of your video. But YouTube takes about 45% of that and you get the other 55%. So then your RPM is what you are going to actually make per 1,000 views. Now, what's really interesting is there's about 51 million YouTubers out there creating content every day, and every single channel that gets monetized is going to have a different CPM and RPM. And that's because advertisers are going to pay more for viewers in places where people have money, like the US or Canada. They're going to pay less for it in other countries. They're going to pay more for people that are watching finance and investment and technology videos versus things like book reviews and tutorials and trainings for students. So when I took a look at my videos, I had to take into consideration that I'm producing primarily educational videos for home business owners. So I probably fall kind of in the middle. In my first month, my CPM rate was $46.70. And of that, the RPM that I'm receiving is $20.63, which honestly, it's not bad when I think about it, because I'm just doing what I love and I'm getting paid to do it, even when I'm sleeping and I'm not there, which is pretty cool. So now for the big reveal you've all been waiting for. Over the last 28 days, I have made an estimated $97.12. So no, I'm not going to be able to quit my job on that either. And it fluctuates from day to day, with some days being smaller, like $3, and a couple of the days being as much as $8.43. But what's really neat is the thought that this is just the start. This is just the first month, and I have the opportunity to grow as this channel grows. And the momentum that you create once you set this in motion really can't be stopped, which means even if I stopped creating videos today, YouTube would likely still continue to push my content out in front of people, and I would end up still making money even if I never made another video. So while it takes you a long time, or maybe not if you get a lot of viewers and a lot of subscribers more quickly, while it can take you a long time to get monetized, once you do, you get to continue that monetization long term, which I think is pretty awesome. So what exactly was the content that gave me all of this revenue? Well, I went back and looked at my top earning content over the last 28 days, and almost a quarter of it came from a video called Money Saving Apps You Need in 2022. So afterwards, if you want to go check that out, you can head to this video. I'll also go ahead and link that below to you. And really, this kind of falls into that category of being time-sensitive information, as we're currently in a recession, even if we don't call it that. And most people are looking for ways that they can actually save money or earn money and put more of it back in their pockets. The other top videos are interesting. There is how to add a clickable link to Facebook in 2022 and how to add a clickable link to Facebook in 2020. I know, it sounds like I just said the same thing over again, but I actually recreated that video with updates this year in 2022 because that video was my highest performing video ever on my channel when I created it in 2020. And it just goes to show you that you really never know which videos are going to take off. I made that video, and in the beginning, it really wasn't doing that well. And then all of a sudden, you can see that it just started to take off. And so it continued to grow to 39,000 views by August 28th of this year. And it still gets views even though I've redone the same video again with updates this past year. In fact, this video has contributed almost half of all the subscribers on my channel. So this video has created almost half of the subscribers on my channel and still gets 90% of its views from the YouTube search. So just in the last 2 days, it added almost another 100 views to this channel. And when I made it, I had no idea. So there is never a bad idea. Keep putting those videos out there, keep producing, because you don't know what's gonna take off and become the video that people are desperately seeking. Now, if people are only making $100 a month or less when they first get monetized on YouTube, then how can they become full-time YouTubers? Well, I suspect that most people are actually not making the majority of their income from the YouTube AdSense revenue. They either have YouTube AdSense revenue from ads, they have merch on their channel, they have affiliate marketing, they have sponsorships. And in fact, for me, affiliate marketing has been the #1 way that I've earned money from this channel long before I ever got monetized by YouTube AdSense. And if I click into all the videos that I've earned money off of from YouTube AdSense and monetization on my channel, you'll see that this video right here, my review of MLSP 2021, has only earned me $4.16. While I'm not at liberty to discuss exactly how much I've made from this affiliate program, I can say that it's generated multiple 5 figures in my business, and a lot of that has come from YouTube search. So while you may not be creating videos that are going to go viral and get you all of that ad revenue, think about videos that are really going to serve your audience for what your people are looking for, and using your affiliate links to give them opportunities to buy things from you. One of the reasons that my Lead System Pro review video has been such a significant affiliate opportunity for me has been because it's a recurring revenue membership site. So people decide they like it, they go and buy it, and they buy it month after month after month after month. So if you're a YouTuber striving to get monetized and you're wondering, is it even worth it? Absolutely keep going, because once you put it into motion, you will be able to earn from it long term, and along the way, really focus on creating those great videos with products, services, and information that your audience ideally needs, and you can earn money from other affiliate programs, services, sponsorships, and other ways from YouTube in the meantime. I hope this was valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.